Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Wyomissing.
35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Reading, Norristown, Pottstown, Phoenixville, West Norton, East Norton, Wyomissing, Souderman, Birdsboro, Collegeville, Royersford, Singing Spring,
Green Lane, New Morgan, Putown, Spring Mount, and Gilbertsville. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 27 and 38. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 3 and 11. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Chester, and Montgomery. Here is the region.